In this quick video, I will show you how to stake Optimism step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and log in first, then go to earn here, click simple earn, type down on the search bar up, then you can only choose flexible staking, then click subscribe here, and now you can type the amount of Optimism you want to stake or subscribe. So for example, I will type down 0.48 up and click here. You can also see here the estimated interest per day and the estimated APR, and then click confirm. And as you can see, the subscription was successful. And if you want to withdraw your Optimism, you can just click here on the earn sub here. You can see that I have staked 0.48 up. You can see the total amount. You can also see here the total profit and the last day profit. And if you want to redeem this token, just click here and you can just type the amount of up you want to redeem. So for example, I will choose maximum, click here and click confirm, click view holding, and now you can see that there is no staking that is shown here. And if you have any questions about how to stake Optimism, leave a comment below.